Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about how to install the Pascal programming application in our smartphone, and also we are going to discuss about how to create very simple program through this installed application. So nowadays we can get everything from the internet, right? So likewise we can also get this application from the Play Store, which are available in our smartphones. So if we want to type programming lines, we need an application to type, right? So the application which we use to type the programming lines are usually called editors. And there are so many editors available in the IT industry to type and create programs. If you all want to install the editor, just go to the Play Store and search the app by entering the Pascal programming app. And then you can see there are so many applications available in the Play Store. So let's have a look on first one, the Pascal NIDE editor and compiler programming. I think this is the best application that I haven't seen. So let's open it. Click open to enter into the application. Okay, this is the interface of this application. Let's see how to work with this. Before starting the coding, you all should understand that how to create an empty page in this editor. So for that, you have to press the button which are available in the left side corner, and then press this plus button and new, and then you can see that there are three options available. First one, program unit Pascal, and third one is INP5. So if you decide to make simple Pascal related programs, just select the first one. So already I have selected the first one, and let's go on through that. After selecting the first option, then you have to type a program name to start the coding. I'm just going to give a name tree. Okay, now let's create a very simple program for display string type line output. I think you all know what is a string type. So this means that the value of string variables may include numbers, letters, or symbols. Those are called what? String type variables. So here I'm just going to display a line as output. So later we will discuss advanced program in upcoming classes. Okay, let's move to the code. Here there are some codes have been written, and only few words we are going to use from them. Let's remove them which we are not going to use. I think read line not necessary. Use a CRT. I'm going to erase them. So first we need a variable to assign a string line. So for that I'm just going to creating a variable named A for assigning purpose. So already all the variable assigning started with var means variable, and then A variable name, and then I'm going to set variable type string. All the programs started with begin keyword and terminate with the end keyword in Pascal. Already those words has been written, and then I'm going to assign a hello Pascal string value to my string created variable A. So I'm just going to type A, and then I'm going to assign hello Pascal. Okay, here you can see the hello Pascal string line has been set to variable A, and then I'm going to type right element for display the output. already you people know. So if you want to output anything, we should type right line for the display purpose. So here right line. So within this bracket I am going to type the output variable a, and then I'm going to put semicolon. Always we use this semicolon that the line has been ended, so that's the purpose for putting semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, let's okay, this is the program which I came to write. Finally, let's check the errors by clicking the compile button. Okay, compile success, there are no errors. So now we can run the program. So if you want to run the program, there's an option available in the top bar. So second one to the compile success button, so you can see the run button. I'm going to press this. So finally we got the expected output, hello Pascal. So you also can try this program in your smartphone. So if anyone have any doubts regarding this lesson, just ask through my email and phone numbers, so you can see them in the screen. Okay, so meet you all guys in the next video. Thank you, bye.